Alright guys, finally there's one more stop here. It's called the Atabat Lake. Atabat Jheel meaning lake in Urdu. Really beautiful, and for the first time I'm actually seeing water sports here. So we got jet ski, little boats, rowboats and stuff like that. Really interesting. I'm not sure if we're gonna go for any of that water sports, but we'll see how it goes. It looks like we're going for a boat ride. We're getting a big boat because we have like 4 families all in. It's gonna be fun. A little update. I was not allowed to fly my drone here. I'm pretty disappointed, seriously, because I don't see any security risk here. But somehow we just happened to ask the cops. The cops are not happy about it, and that's it. So, oh well. Shit happens. I mean, you want to promote tourism, and then you make it just so difficult for us to show the world how beautiful this place is. So sad. Going down at the boat. Whew. Oh yeah, up the plank. Wait a minute. Looks like we gotta wear those life jackets. I've been told that this boat ride is 40 minutes long. I think it's gonna be fun. So Aisha, how do you feel?
Very nice, beautiful.
Right. So this is basically the very typical Hunza tourism pictures. If you go to Google, you'll see a lot of pictures on this boat. So it's like we just had to get on this boat just to take that particular type of pictures, right? The colorful boat and the green-blue waters of this lake. Alright, so yes, right now we are trying to get to the jet ski. We're gonna get the couple ones, the slower ones, but hey, you know, it's a family thing, so we're gonna go for that. Alright, we're going up now. Get close. Alright, we're on a jet ski. Woo, the speed is pretty good. I like it. Woo.
Enjoy! Nice!
Yeah. The cool breeze is awesome. Alright, we're done with our jet ski ride. It's not too bad at all. It was pretty fast. Thanks to the gentleman actually speed up a little bit. Yeah. Shukriya bhai sahab. Although it's like a family kind of ride, both me and Aisha went up, and somehow there had to be a driver, but the speed was pretty good. I was happy with it.
ठीक है
We are at this Alted Fort right now. We had a really nice store. There's some ice cream here. Homemade walnut Gonza ice cream is beautiful. We're gonna have some. So this is like the traditional area, the home residential area, and the houses and all that. It's all around the Balted Fort. Wait, I think it's Alted Fort. Not too familiar with names here, but it's really beautiful. It's like those tiny little stone houses, as you can see in the background here. Check it out. We got a dried up swimming pool here. Nah, just kidding. I don't know. It's just some spot here. Probably an empty land for development. This is the Alted Fort. Yes, Alted Fort. This is where you get the tickets from. Waiting to get the tickets in, and then we shall go. The rules are pretty strict though, no drone flying. I took note of that. Alright, we're supposed to go to the Alted Fort, but you know, slight change of plans. We decided to cancel the Alted Fort because there's not much time left. But guess what? The ladies are back shopping.
मेहमानों का इकराम करोगे ना तो बेला पर रोटी ना कुकर के पिलाते हैं
इसलिए हम लोगों ने आपके साथ केस नहीं किया आपने जो दिए मुझे सब रुपए हो गए हाँ
देखा बहस नहीं करनी 100 रुपए और दे दे
Alright, so this is yet another stop. We managed to have our prayers, and this is the Rakapushi viewpoint. We were here actually, I believe we stayed here like 2 nights ago. It's one of the popular spots. We're gonna order some food. Hopefully it's pretty good. So far, I gotta be honest, the food hasn't been great for this journey. If you just want food, it's Karachi.
सिंगापुर
हम आपको और $1 दे देते सिंगापुर के. Okay guys, finally we have reached Gilgit. We managed to check into a hotel, well almost. It's a park hotel near the airport road. I think, not too familiar with the place, but I would say it's a very decent hotel. I mean, it looks great. It looks 4 stars from the outside, but the rooms are a little bit like 3 stars. But it's okay. Yeah, the ladies chatting up, I don't know, some gossip. Whoa, pretty decent room, huh? I like the red wall.
Is there even a toilet?
There is.
Where?
Television, curtains, nice and clean. Right. Alright.
You see the bed design over here.